Ciao and welcome, culinary explorers and history aficionados, to another episode of Eat, Drink, and Travel Places, where we embark on a journey through time and taste to rediscover the flavors of the past. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a delectable piece of culinary history, the ancient Roman cheese spread known as moretum. Before we get started, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures from around the world and across time. Now, let's unravel the mystery of moretum and bring a taste of ancient Rome right into our kitchen. Moretum is a flavorful spread that was a staple in the diet of many ancient Romans. Made from cheese, herbs, garlic, and vinegar, this dish showcases the simplicity and richness of Roman cuisine. Today we'll be making our own version of moretum, guided by historical texts and a pinch of modern interpretation. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need fresh cheese. The Romans would have used something similar to ricotta or feta. Fresh herbs like cilantro and parsley, garlic, salt, and a bit of olive oil and vinegar to bind and enhance the flavors. The preparation of moretum was beautifully described in a poem attributed to Virgil. The poem tells the story of a farmer preparing his meal before dawn, meticulously grinding his ingredients using a mortar and pestle, symbolizing the connection between hard work, the land, and the food on his table. As we blend these ingredients, imagine the early morning in a Roman farmhouse, the sounds of nature waking up, and the rhythmic motion of grinding herbs and cheese. It's not just food, it's a ritual, a way to start the day with intention and gratitude. Once our mixture reaches a spreadable consistency, we've achieved our moretum. The Romans would enjoy this with flatbread or as part of a larger meal. Its robust flavor is a testament to the ingenuity of ancient cooks, making the most of the ingredients they had. And there we have it, a taste of ancient Rome, ready to be savored. Moretum is more than just a cheese spread. It's a connection to the past, a reminder of the simplicity and depth of flavors that can be achieved with just a few ingredients. The freshness of the herbs, the tanginess of the cheese, and the kick of garlic come together in a symphony of flavors that transcend time. It's easy to see why moretum was a favorite among the Romans. Exploring ancient recipes like moretum allows us to appreciate the culinary heritage of different cultures and brings us closer to the people who enjoyed these dishes centuries ago. Join us next time as we continue our journey through time and taste. Until then, happy cooking and bon appetit!